Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not a beauty video, but I'm going to tell you really quick what I'm wearing on my face because I know that most of you that follow me is because of makeup. So this is a very minimal look today. So for my concealer, I have the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer, the Shape Tape. I don't like the regular Shape Tape concealer, it's too drying for me. But the creamy one is really nice. So I'm using that. I'm using the One Size Beauty powder foundation all over my face. This is a medium 1. Then for blush, it's the Cinch Beauty in Riveting Rhubarb, which is very pretty, very pigmented. A little goes a long way. On my eyes, I'm using 3 of Lisa Eldridge's liquid shadows. This is I have 2 of the matte ones. Phoebe is all over my lid. I will list them below. And then I have one of the ones with glitter, which they're amazing because they stay in place. You don't have glitter all over your face in the middle. And this is like a little plastic see-through that it's kind of hard to see what it is. But anyway, I will list them below in case you're interested. Then on my lips, I have Flyte 70. I have the lip liner in Sabotage, which is very nice. And you can actually fill your lips with it because it's one of those triangular tips. And I did fill my lips with it. I went over it with this, which is like a tinted lip balm. Very comfortable, very pretty. And it's called Fast Car. And that's what I have on my lips. And yeah, it's amazing. And I just did like a brow gel on the Almay brow gel on my brows. And the mascara that I'm using is this one from Essence, the Lash Princess. My daughter is off from school this week. She's a teacher. So we met for breakfast this morning and that was nice, spending some time with her. So today is going to be my winter Fab Fit Fun. I subscribed to Fab Fit Fun years ago. And then I got tired of it and I quit. And then once in a while I switch back and forth between boxes. Then I went to Boxycharm, Ipsy. And then now I cancel that and I cancel Allure. And I subscribed for a year of the Fab Fit Fun. Let me show you the box. It's huge. It's actually cheaper than, you know, the yearly subscription than if you get monthly on Ipsy, especially Ipsy and Allure. So I think I did get a couple of add-ons, but not too many. I think it was just like maybe 1 or 2. Oh, I'm sorry if I moved you. It's kind of hard to open this box. It's huge. So let me see. Oh, they also sent me a gift bundle because I was subscribing. So I think this is part of the bundle that they sent me because I didn't order this. And this feels really nice and cushiony. It's actually feels pretty nice. It's just a tote. And let me see. It has a snap closure that I just almost yanked out when I opened it. Okay, I'm impressed, aren't you? And it's magnetic. Why was it so hard for it to come out? But it's hard to undo. All right, it's from Summer Salt is the brand. But yeah, I almost took it off the bag, but I was able to push it back in. Hopefully it'll stay in. And it has like a little zipper part. I like to take these when we go to the beach to put my phone and stuff in there. Even though the ones that I usually take to the beach, they're like waterproof, so my stuff doesn't get wet. But still, those are nice. Paper. And this is probably the rest of the bundle that they sent me. And it says on the outside of the box, it says Our Place. I had already canceled Boxy when I decided to get this, but then I saw Rena from Boxes and Deal unbox hers, and I got jealous. I have FOMO, so I decided to give this a try. Now, a lot of the stuff that she was able to choose, because she got to do it a lot earlier than I did, was already gone, so I wasn't able to get it. But next time, for my spring box, I should be able to get it sooner. Because since I did the yearly, we're able to choose our stuff earlier than anybody else that gets it like just seasonal. So this is what came as part of my gift. Oh, Lisa, this is beautiful. Look how pretty these wine glasses are. They're like a rose gold, like a rose shade. They're really beautiful. So it's a set of 2 of them. So that's very pretty. I'm glad, and I drink wine, so we're good. Oh, there's more stuff here. Yeah, I didn't order this either, so this had to come with it. So it's a daily planner, and it comes with 2, it looks like either color pencils. Yeah, color pencils, 2-sided color pencils. So that's really, really nice. A Briogeo Styling Treat, Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. A Freck Beauty Miniature. What is this? I hope this is not a mascara, because the wand is going to take up the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I think it is a mascara. Eyeliner. This is one of the smallest packages I have ever seen in my life. It looks like doll makeup. What? Alright, an eyeliner in black. And then this is from Static Nails. Oh, this is, I believe I got this as the add-on. Yeah, this is the add-on. And it's just like a grayish shade. I like shades like that for my nails. And the rest of it is just part of the gift that I got for subscribing for a year. Alright, so now let's take out the box. So this is the box. Let's put this one down so I can have a little more room. This is the box where everything came in. And they used to have really, really cute boxes. Now they're kind of like, just like a brown box. So it's okay, but I mean, their boxes used to be super cute. So this is the inside. It has like a Christmas wreath on the lid. And it just says Fab Fit Fun. People get nice things at nice prices. Oh, they have like little scratch out things so you can win prizes. This is a team and their store. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is Everyday Body Milk from Rosie and Jane. And this is a chill peppermint and mandarin and cypress. So I thought I would get this. By the time I went, a lot of the choices were not like, but that was, you know, it's okay, because I mean, I waited in order to get the stuff, so it's all right. I do love anything that's moisturizing for the body or the face. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, wow. Okay, it is kind of runny. It smells nice, actually. It smells spa-like. It doesn't feel oily or greasy. And this would be nice to apply like right after you take a bath. Yeah, I like it. I actually like it. You can smell the, what was it again? Eucalyptus? Peppermint, mandarin, and cypress. You can smell the peppermint and the cypress more than the mandarin, but it's nice. I like it. So, and Rosie Jane has nice fragrances, so I like that. The next is from Pathology, and this is Rejuvenating Eye Gels. These are really, really good. And I love these. I love this brand. They have really good eye gels. So I'm not going to take them out because I'm still using some that I have. But this is a set of 15 pairs. So this is definitely something that I was very happy to get. And these are not cheap, so I was able to get that. Okay, I have the Perricone MD Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. And this I was happy to be able to get. Perricone MD is very, very pricey. And I've used the eye cream before and I really loved it, but it is pricey to purchase. So when I saw that that was a choice, I went ahead and I got it because my under eyes need the best eye creams I can possibly get for them. The next thing is from Greg and Natalie, and I'm not going to tell you like, you know, some people tell you like this was my first choice, this was my second choice. I'm just going to tell you what I got in the box. Whichever choice it was, maybe on my next one I'll be a little more prepared, but okay, you know me. I'm not always the most prepared creator that you're gonna watch. What you see is what you get with me. So these are a measuring cup set, and these are so cute. They're like a light mint green, and you have the cup, of course, the half a cup, this is a third of a cup, and then a quarter cup. So I was excited to get this. I used to have a set like this, and one by one I broke them. So it's kind of nice to replace them. Okay, the next thing in here is, oh, this is from Wonder Beauty. And this is one that I really didn't know what to get. This was like something that I got because I couldn't find anything better in that choice. So I do like Wonder Beauty, but I mean, this is not even makeup. So this brings 2 sponges, 2 of the little poofs, which are very, very cushiony, by the way. And it brings a brush cleaner, which is nice because you can hold it between your fingers and clean your brushes. So this was a nice little set. Like I said, you know, there weren't that many choices, anything else that I wanted. So at least this is functional. This is something that I can use. So this was from Wonder Beauty. And then the last thing in here is from Barefoot Dreams. Yes. Okay, they had a blanket, which I don't need another throw blanket, but I love Barefoot Dreams. If you ever have a chance to get anything Barefoot Dreams, get it. You guys, if I could have my whole wardrobe in Barefoot Dreams products, I would. So this is a scarf. And I missed out on the blanket. By the time I went to get my box, it was gone. So I would put on here my total price for my box. But this feels right now, I just put it on. It feels so cozy and so warm. I love Barefoot Dreams. I have fussy socks. I have a pair of pajamas from Barefoot Dreams. I have like 3 cardigans. I've given them as gifts. The first one that I received was a cardigan from my daughter. She gave it to me for Christmas one year. And it was, oh, I was gonna say something's broken. And it was so amazing that whenever I've seen one that is on sale, I get it because it's very pricey. But I've given it as gifts. They're amazing. So this is the only thing I could get my hands on, the scarf. And yeah, I actually ordered from their Black Friday sale. They were having a sale and they were having a baby blanket, and my niece is having a baby in February and they had it at an amazing price. So I went ahead and I ordered it for her. Okay, so recap. My beautiful cozy scarf, which I love. I know I live in Florida, but that's okay. We still have like 1 or 2 cold days, and this will be around my neck on those 2 days. I have this from Wonder Beauty, which is called the Beauty Sponge Ornament Set. I have the measuring cups. Pericone ND. This is probably about $80, I would say. I don't know for sure, but I would say it's close to that. The eye gels. The Chill Peppermint Mandarin Cypress Body Milk from Rosie and Jane. Okay, and then the bundle that they sent me for free was a Briogeo, the Daily Planner set, the wine glasses, and the bag, the tote bag. So I'm happy with what I got. Like, by the time I went to make my choices, a lot of the good stuff was gone. So, but I'm happy still with what I got. I think I have some really good products in here. So again, I will list the value on my box. And yeah, and I will also leave a link. I don't think it's an affiliate link or anything like that, but just in case you're interested in this box. All right, guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.